So it just, I really like to read like spy novels. So whether it's Tom Clancy books or Robert Ludlum, the old Jason Bourne or Jack Ryan kinds of books. I was reading those long before they became really popular movies. So, but that and things military, I really am. I don't want to just say I'm a patriot, but I really like to the whole idea of the military and different things that go on with respect to the technologies associated with it. It's another one of the things I like about the spy novels is they kind of go into a lot of things associated with that. So I think that's probably something people don't know about me. It's really collaborative. Roll up your sleeves, get down and don't be afraid to help solve problems. Don't just sit there and say, we need to do all this stuff. You all go figure it out and call me when you have the answer. Get in, roll up your sleeves, work with the team, work with the people that you have here, and solve problems together. I also believe in change. So to me, change is exciting. To others, change is scary. And I like to help people recognize that you can always go backwards. So indecision is the worst decision. So let's look at the data. Let's make a decision, and then let's try it. And let's really try it. Don't just half-heartedly try it. And if it really doesn't work, let's talk about it and let's make a course correction. But I think that's how you, to me, that's how you grow. One is surround yourself with people who are smarter than you, and that's been one that has served me well throughout my whole career. Don't try to be the smartest person in the room. And then I'd say focus on top line is another thing that I've been told. In other words, you're not doing anything without sales. You can have the most efficient plant in the world. If you got nothing to make, it doesn't matter. So don't underestimate the effort needed to sell products. So that's why when I got here, I spent a lot of time in sales in the first part of coming here. It's hard for me to picture not being in manufacturing. I mean, clearly I've got experience in technology, but again, just doing tech in terms of being a science project doesn't really excite me. So I think I'd find myself in manufacturing somewhere. Could be in a different industry, because I think it's a very portable kind of skill set that could work in tools or work in automotive or work in aviation or technology. So I think I'd still be in manufacturing, if not in the aviation industry, but that's really where I've been my whole life. It's hard for me to see, that I'm just going to go into something else. Wow, let's see. I would say it's probably focus on sales, trust in your people, and embrace change, embrace the idea that growth is something that you can achieve together. So I think it's really work as a team and solve problems together, and you get a much better permanent result as opposed to maybe a short-term result that falls backwards.